Ladies and gentlemen, I have another satisfied customer here from winterizemyyacht.com, Mr. Dodge. Mr. Dodge, can you tell us about your experience with winterizemyyacht.com?
Yes, the experience has been great, down to going online, setting up the schedule, phone calls, the communication. Couldn't ask for a faster service. I think total time was 2 days from the time I found you guys online to getting the boat shrink wrapped.
Yes, and as you can see here, you're standing next to your boat. We just finished wrapping it. How would you say the quality of the service is in the communication and your overall experience?
Oh, excellent. The communication all the way down to a couple texts and phone calls this morning to get here. Couldn't ask for a better communication.
And is it safe to say you would recommend winterizemyyacht.com to a friend or a neighbor in need?
Oh, 100%, 100%.
Well, we appreciate you as a customer, and we look forward to providing you with service for years to come. We thank you very much.
Thank you.